Hello friends, I hope you all are doing great, and in this video we are going to learn the basics of Google Colab. So there are two types of cells in the Google Colab. One is text and the one is code. The code is the cell where you write your all the codes, and the text where you explain your code or explain your observation. So these text cells can be used in that way. So let's see what you will get in the Google Colab account, which is free, by the way. So first of all, it is a very convenient and user friendly. It's look like a Jupyter notebook if you are familiar with it. You get 12 GB RAM and 107 GB memory, along with the access of GPU and TPU, and which is free, by the way. And you can access the Google Colab account in any browser or any device. I mean, you can use it on your phone, also you can use it on your laptop or computers. The best part is it doesn't require any configuration from your local machine. Google Cloud handle itself. While watching the video, you will get the quiz which will enhance your coding concepts. Also you will see the learning notes while watching the video, just like you can see at the bottom, non-linear relationship refers to the relationship. So you will get this kind of notes which will boost your information about coding or the concept. Also we will learn about some useful shortcut which we use most frequent while we coding in the Google Colab. So let's get started. So here is the Google Colab file, which name is y_t basics. You can rename the file name anytime, and this is the and by the way, these are the two cells you can create or insert new code cell or new text cell with this tab. Also there are shortcuts as well, which we will discuss in the future. Alright, so first I would like to introduce the title, how we can write the title for our Google Colab sheet. See, I am not going to deep into the technicality of the center and font. Just we need to know that we need to open the bracket and close it. So this is how we and write the center and the font and the size, and then similarly we close it, the font and the center, and the middle of the text we can write it whatever we want to show as a title. So this is how we can create the title. And after this, this is the another way to create the title. So once I double click on the cell, you will see the first you need to write the hashtag, which actually represent that this is the heading, your heading of the content you want to show. So first one hashtag you need to write, and then you can write whatever you want to write here. And on the next text cell, and once you hover the end of the line of the text cell, you will these two options will appear, code and text. This will allow you to either a code cell or the text cell. So I have already written the subheading. Okay, so once you do the subheading, you will see double hash, which is the subheading of the title one which I have created above. And similarly, when you go down, double click on it, you will see 3 hashtag. So this is how you can keep on adding subheading. The more you add the hashtag in the starting of the text, it will create the heading for you. And see the magic of this title. This title has contained 4 cells in it. So once you click on this arrow, you will able to expand those 4, 1 2 3, including this 4. So this is how you can organize your text in the Google Colab sheet. And this is how I have created the second title. And in also you can see there are 5 cells. Once you click, it will expand all the 5 your cell. Now I have created another title which has the text Google Colab most frequent used shortcut. Once you click, you can see I have used 1 hashtag. It means this is the new title I am creating in my document. So these are the shortcut control. These are the most frequent shortcut which we use while we are working on Google Colab. So Control plus MA to enter the code above the cell, Control plus MB to add the cell below. A denotes to above, B denotes to below. Control Shift will run the code whatever you have written in the code. So this is the command to run the cell. Control plus MD to delete the current cell. Control plus MZ is used for undo your action. And you can use the up and down arrow to navigate between upper and lower cells. Now coming to the point of text formatting. Although there are many ways to format the text, but I am going to share some basics of it. So you can see in the number first, once you if you want to bold the text, you need to start with the double asterisk sign and close with a double asterisk sign, and whatever the text in the middle of those asterisks would be reflect as a bold. Also you can see this is our working window, and these and at the right hand side this is how the word will appear. Similarly, single asterisk sign will use to make your text italic. Alright, so the next option is how you can highlight the text. You just need to press the backtick key on your keyboard. Let me show you where the backtick key is located. Alright, so here you can see the red arrow. So this is the key which you need to press wherever you want to highlight the text, and once you return the text, and you need to press it again as a closing, then your text will be highlighted as in this way. So the next is how you can show the dot in the starting of the text. So this is how it will reflect. You just need to like enter and then press the dash and space, and whatever you will type, this would be dot. So whatever you type, this will show the dot in the starting of the beginning. You can see the right section of this window. Alright, that's all for now. This was the basic function when you work with the Google Colab. So if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe and share the video if someone needed it. Thank you.